You will never reach your destination if you sit up and throw stones at every dog that barks. There is no elevator to success. You have to take stairs. Your peace is more important than driving yourself crazy trying to understand why something happened the way it did. Be a good person in real life, not in social media. Overthink is the biggest cause of our unhappiness. Keep yourself occupied, keep your mind off things that does not help you. Think positively. Never hurt a hurt that loves you, because the same hurt might never learn to love you again. The hardest walk you can make is alone, but it is the walk that will make you stronger. No one wants to support you at the start of your journey, but once they see your success, they all want to be friends again. You see a person's true colors when you are no longer beneficial to their life. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. So choose people having beautiful hearts rather than faces. Tonight, give thanks to those who had done you wrong. They have unknowingly made you strong. A leader leads by example, not by force. Always be thankful for what you have. Many people have nothing. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Growth is painful, change is painful, but nothing is as painful as staying settled somewhere you do not belong. I am not impressed by money, social status, or job title. I am impressed by the way someone treats other human beings. If you have focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. Sometimes things take time. Be positive, stay patient, and things will get better. Every girl may not be queen to her husband, but she is always a princess to her father. Some people want a big house, a fast car, and lots of money. Some people want a teeny cabin in the woods away from those kind of people. Not everyone will understand your journey. That is okay. You are here to live your life, not to make everyone understand. Talk about your blessing more than you talk about your problems.